kung mas malandi pa sa'yo.
The next, but not the least, contestant number 9.
Papa, I love you!
Hi. Good afternoon, everyone. Before anything else, I would like to acknowledge my employer, the family,
Ayun pala, yung nakabit.
and for your
Thank you.
jump mga sisters, jump mga brothers. Narito nga. Ang pinakamagandang babae sa balat ng lupa. Pangit man ako sa paningin nyo.
Ganon din sa Pisin.
Ganun, ano?
Wala talaga akong igaganda. I Miss Lucasya,
Bukas.
representing from Republic of China. May kasabihan po tayo,
Biglang pag mainit.
pag mainit at biglang umulan, may nanganganak na kabayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, those are the beauties that we just can't imagine how they are in our heart. Paano nyo kaya i-imagine ang mga... How can you imagine this kind of beauties in your room this afternoon or tonight? We got everything. We got the bust. We got the bum. We got the legs. Oh my goodness. I just can't imagine how I'm going to live without them.